In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a strike was observed on the first martyrdom anniversary of senior APSC leader and Sada-e-Hurriyet chairman Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai today. Defying strict orders by the Indian forces, the business community closed their shops in several areas of Srinagar and other major towns of the valley to mourn the custodial killing of Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai in Jammu's Udhampur jail on this day last year. Prayer sessions were held in many parts of the occupied valley despite military siege. APSC leaders in their statements paid glowing tributes to the senior APSC leader. They said the death of Mohammad Ashraf Sehrai was an irreparable loss and pledged to accomplish his mission against all odds. In Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, a rally under the aegis of Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir was held to commemorate octogenarian martyred leader. A conference was also organized by IIOJK chapter in Islamabad today to eulogize the sacrifices of the martyred leader. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on a 3-day visit to European countries, has faced protests over the incarceration of human rights defenders in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and violence against Muslims and other minorities in India. When he was receiving Guard of Honor by National Guards in Germany, protesters shouted "Modi down down" slogans. They also carried banners reading "Stop Genocide in India" and "India is a fascist state." Meanwhile, over 30 groups of women and men in a letter demanded compensation to Muslims whose houses were demolished by Hindutva activists in the Jahangirpuri area of the Indian capital New Delhi in Gujarat state of India. As many as 70 more Muslim properties were bulldozed by Hindutva goons associated with the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. The US-based Indian-American Muslim Council has apprised US President Joe Biden and other US leadership about the escalation of Hindu extremist violence against Muslims in India during the recently concluded holy month of Ramadan. Speaking in an Eid celebrating function organized by US President Joe Biden and First Lady Dr. Jill Biden at White House, the Executive Director of the American Muslim Council, Rashid Ahmed, spoke about widespread violence against India's Muslims in recent days.